I'm gonna find me a new nigga tonight.
I'm weak. Happy Friday. It's Friday. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Pity if you're new. If you're not new, thank you for the support. So today is March 17th and today is St. Patrick's Day. So I'm about to head to the city. I know they had the parade this morning, but I don't see what else they got. Usually they have like bar crawl or like little stuff going on in the city. So I'm about to head to the city, meet up with a friend, and we're gonna see what we get into for the night. I wasn't prepared for St. Patrick's Day because honestly forgot all about it, but today's for me because this is my color. My color is green. Like, this is my favorite color, so I had to do something today. Yeah, I had actually got this top from Shein. I bought this from like around Christmas time, so we're around Christmas time. I never wore it, so I'm glad I found it to wear today. But it's cute. So yeah, I hope you guys is having a beautiful weekend and continue to watch this video, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm about to head to the city and have some fun. Have a good what I oh my god, it's packed in there. Girl, I know you hungry, right? Here, right, what is this? That's a wine spot. Ain't no food. Where the food at? Oh. I know he actually do that wine. Like wings? Oh, for Ireland. Oh. Ganja. I'm weak. I'm funding this. Yeah, we just got to Times Square. And we're gonna go to, where we going? Red Lobster or BBQ's? Red Lobster down there. How far is BBQ? He dragged them out the street. What's up? This is St. Patrick's Day for you in New York, child. You on the floor.
I'm gonna find me a new nigga tonight.
I'm weak.
While you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself. 'Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. You can do whatever you like.
So we just got some BBQs. That drink, frozen margarita was really good to me. My friend didn't like it, but I liked it. Like that shit hit real hard, real quick. We get some food real quick because the other stuff that we wanted to go to, like we were sure those lines there, so we just settled for this one, and I felt for wings too, so it's fine. And I just got a Sprite because that drink that we had earlier, it was enough for the night. I'm starving. I can't believe we had a whole drink before we had a meal. It was crazy. What is that? Pita bread. Oh my. It was crazy to call me that. A lot of people used to call me that. I'm like, yeah, in my old job. I'm like, y'all annoying. Birthday. Like, this is mad big. I didn't know they had that.
It's the same bread that's on the dinner.
I know, I didn't know they had that. Ooh, this is good. Okay, yeah, it is. Okay, this is going somewhere. This is good though.
The same bread, right? It don't have no sauce on it.
It don't?
And I don't want barbecue
dry?
sauce on my salmon.
Right. Is it dry? So what's that sauce for? You got two sauce though.
This is for my shrimp.
Okay, so what's that one for?
I guess it's for the salmon,
Oh, okay.
but it's barbecue sauce. I don't want barbecue sauce on my salmon.
I should not be eating this right now, but you know what? We're not even gonna think about that. Think about that. I'm gonna enjoy this meal. So I'm heading home now. It's like around 1 a.m. and it's drizzling out here. I had a fun night. Tomorrow's another day, so see y'all tomorrow. Welcome people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Pretty Gay. If you're not new, welcome back. So today is Sunday, March 19th. I went to a concert yesterday. I went to see my favorite Jamaican female artist yesterday. And it was just beer vibes, I went to see Shenseea yesterday. That's gonna be in a separate vlog. I was trying to put it in a weekend vlog, but it ain't gonna work. And I definitely I didn't vlog a lot, but I still have like a good amount of content. So I want to put it by itself. But it was a whole vibe. Like, I finally get to see her. I was so excited. Like, so my coworker told me about it, and then one day, that's the same day I bought a ticket. Spotify sent me a notification, and I bought it right away. And best believe I had a good ass seat. Okay, had a good view. Like, what? Yeah, this vlog will be going up after. So this is just a little review on the concert and everything. So okay, so it was Shenseea headlining, but it was other artists, like some soca artists there. This one guy, I forgot his name, Problem Child, yeah. He wrote a lot of the other songs that I actually listened to. So I'm like, oh, okay, you're an artist and a songwriter, all right. So it was so lit. Like, we had so much fun. The girls that I was sitting next to, I didn't know them. We didn't know each other. I mean, they came with other people. I went by myself. So I didn't know nobody there. To my knowledge, anyways. I didn't go with nobody. So the girls that was sitting in the row that I was sitting at, that was lit. Beer vibes. That was lit. Like, it was lit. We had so much fun. Like, I was sitting next to some Jamaican girls. So I was sitting next to my peoples. And then so the other girls that were sitting next to me, they look Spanish. I don't know if they're American or Hispanic. I don't know. But it was bare vibes. Like, what? See, sometimes you gotta go by yourself because you will always meet people. Like, every time I go somewhere, even by myself, I always meet somebody. I always meet people. Like, that's why I was like, I don't sit and wait for people. I stopped doing that because some people might have a good excuse. Some people just be bullshitting you. So I don't wait for people no more. I don't even tell people where I'm going no more. Like, it has to be. It depends on who you are and depends on what it is. But I don't go on my way to invite people no more. Tell people anything anymore. Because you're not going to waste my time. I'm still go regardless. But I'm just be nice inviting you at this point. Last concert I went there late. Because I'm like, all right, I'm close. I don't need to go there 2-3 hours. That concert, I should have went 2-3 hours. So this concert, it started at 7. And I'm like, damn, maybe I should go early because what happened last time won't happen again. Plus it was raining last time. It started raining last time and I was not prepared. Like, I wasn't. So I wasn't trying to be in the same predicament as I was last time. So I said, I'm gonna leave early. I left an hour early from my house. A little over an hour. Like, I left like 6:10 from here because it's literally like a 10-minute walk from my house. So I'm like, wait. I got there and I'm like, what? Ain't no line outside. Where the line at? There was no line outside. I was like, what? I was so shocked. Like, how is it like it's Shenseea in freaking Brooklyn? Like, how? And like I said, it's soca artists that I didn't know about. It's a lot of people, a lot of Trinis and Guyanese and Grenadians and St. Lucians and Bajans and a lot of them in Flatbush. So I was confused. Like, I'm like, why outside is not packed? Like, what? Anyways, I was glad for that because I'm like, thank God I ain't gotta wait. So when I went inside, got me a little drinky drink. Got me a nice little rum punch. Like, it goes with the vibes. It was so much fun. Like, I saw my sister in person. She looks so good. I'm like, oh my God. And I was living it in the moment. I didn't, like I said, I did not record a lot. I said, this is Shenseea. Yeah, I'm gonna record for my channel, but this is Shenseea. I gotta be in the moment with this one. Like, I have to be in the moment. I didn't record everything. I didn't record all her songs or the entire performance. I couldn't because I wanted to be in the moment. I wanted to, enjoy that. Like, I had to, and I did. Like, I can't tell I spent $200 on something. Talking about earpods, the best $200 I spent in a while, because I bought my earpods like 3 years ago. So yeah, but yeah, that was the best $200 I spent. Sure was. When I heard that she was going to Brooklyn, I'm like, even if I didn't live so close to the theater, I was still going. She could have been in Barclays, she could have been in Madison Square Garden, wherever she was, I was going. But it was just so, God had his hands on me, okay? God was looking out for me because this was right down the block for me. And I was like, that's a no-brainer. I'm not even telling nobody. I don't care who don't come. I am going. Like, I'm going. I don't care who don't come. When I bought the tickets, I thought it was only Shenseea gonna be there. And then I think like it was last week or something, somebody told me that it was gonna be her and other artists. I was like, oh, I thought it was gonna be her by herself. I think it was like 2 days before that I saw who the artists were. Like, I was reading them, but I'm like, I don't know none of these people. Only person like I said who I knew was Nyla Blackman because of the song that she has with Shenseea. Like, that's the only person I knew was Nyla Blackman. I didn't know nobody else. And then the other guy, Noah Poa, he's Jamaican. But yeah, he's an artist too. So I didn't know who he was, but I saw him before. So I'm like, who are these people? But I'm like, anyways, she's headlining. So I'm going there thinking like, okay, since I don't know all these people, I'm going to see Shenseea, I'm coming home. That was my mindset. She's headlining. I should have known like she's going to be last to perform. I should have known. But I didn't know that the rest of the lineup was soca artists. The soca artists that performed, what? There was bare vibes. There was bare vibes. There were songs that I've heard from them, but I didn't know it was them. So I have songs from them on my, like I have somebody's songs on my playlist, but I didn't know it was them. So now I added more songs because I'm just like, oh. But I think J Dell, sis is a whole vibe. She's a new favorite. Like, what? She's a new, I didn't know nothing about her. So added some new artists on my playlist. On my soca playlist, because I have a separate list for that. But I already have some of these songs. But now I know them. Like, okay, I can put the face to the name and now I know who's who now. I'm still trying to rack up my soca playlist. Like, no, don't nobody judge me, okay? I wasn't even into soca until like 3 years ago. Honestly, I wasn't. I was just beer dance all. I don't even know what song made me. I don't know what song made me start to listen to soca like that. But now, since it's in soca, okay? Like, I'm at the point where I will go to a soca party or I go to carnival or something. I'm at that point now. Yeah, because before I was not. I was not. You gotta keep your musical horizon open. Like, similar background, same background. We got the same culture. I could definitely listen to some soca if I could listen to country and alternative music. Like, so my Saturday night was lit. Okay, lit. Money well spent. Check her off my list. But yeah, so that's my little review for the Shenseea concert.
Several hours later.
Alright, so yeah, I'm about to do my meal prep for my lunch for the week. I'm tired, but I need to cook because I'm not buying no lunch. So I have my organic ground chicken from Trader Joe's. Organic ground chicken. And then I have my Trader Joe's seasoning that I use. I'm also going to use regular chicken seasoning because it's chicken I'm making. So I don't want to just use these two. I did it one time and it was just bland. I know that's the whole point, but I need a little flavor. And then I have my medium shells. I'm gonna use the pasta shells. Then I'm gonna use avocado oil to make the ground chicken. And I'm using this sauce. Like I said before, I don't do the creamy. Oh yeah, I don't do the creamy pasta. The one time I had creamy pasta, I threw up. So never again. I never tried it again. That was years ago, but I never tried it again. So I always stick to my tomato sauce. And this is the one I always use: tomato, basil, garlic. I also have a can of diced tomatoes. And the chicken seasoning I'm going to use is this one. I bought this when I was coming from Jamaica last year. I bought it from the airport. So I'm going to use this just a little bit because I'm making chicken seasoning. So yeah, this is the ingredients. Let's get to cooking.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy.
So this is the finished product. This smells so freaking good right now. It smells so good. Oh my god, I have to try this one day with some brown rice. Or white rice. Whatever. One of my cheat days. Yeah, so I'm about to boil my pasta and put everything together. And I'll come back when I'm done.
You are like me, and There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy.
So this is my one pasta, my one pot mushroom chicken pasta. This is my meal for the work week, and it smells so freaking good. No cheese, no Alfredo sauce, just my marinara sauce. I wish I had another sauce, but this will do. So I'm about to prep this and I'm done in the kitchen for the night. So here we are, meal prep for the week for work. So yeah, this is it. And see y'all in the next video.